The trunk was full, so I put it in the back seat.
No.
Alright. Sure hope your birthday is filled with amazing adventures and super surprises. And everything that makes a day extra special, just like you.
Woo!
Happy birthday, Logan. Lots of love. The Marshes.
Aw, the Marshes.
Backyardigans.
Oh, backyardigans. Oh, it's Chuck.
Hey, who is that?
Oh, that matches your other one. He's got the green one, eh?
Right here, right here.
Oh, wow. Sandy, come here, please.
Sandy.
She just wants to be part of the program.
I know.
Oh, what is it?
Batteries.
Yay!
Logan, what is it?
Sandy, go lay down. Battery, so show Daddy
Oh,
your
show me what you got.
Show Daddy your truck. Your truck's behind you.
Go show me. Over here. Let me see.
Show Daddy. There you go.
It's Chuck. Cool. What do you say?
Thank you.
Cool. Awesome.
Look at what
Can you say it louder so we can all hear you?
Thank you. No, I said thank you.